As a plumber, you're used to waiting for customers to call you. But what if there's a better way to find work? With U-Plumber Pro, you can search for nearby customers and fill your schedule with paying jobs instead of waiting for the phone to ring. Plus, you can optimize your routes and schedule to make the most of your available service time. With U-Plumber Pro, you can take control of your work schedule and grow your plumbing business. Say goodbye to idle time and hello to more paying customers. You're in control of your schedule and inventory. Pick and choose the jobs that fit your availability and the parts you have on hand. No more wasted time running back and forth to the hardware store or scheduling conflicts.